Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a profile in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply first, we need to go to the setup so we can add our profiles. And basically, we need to click here, setup, and then we need to access to profiles. So in the quick find, we search for profiles and we click on these profiles. And from here, you will be able to create new profile and assign user to them. So I'm just going to click on this new profile. You can uh, use any existing one, so you can clone from it, kinda cloning from it, and basically you can choose anything and you can give it a name. You click on save and then you will start adding permission, users, anything to this profile. So as you can see, those are the profile details and those are the page layouts. And as you can see, the assignments, etc. And down, we will start finding the level security and we will find also the permission. So those are the custom app settings. And from here, also you can choose the connected apps that can this profile access and also the tab settings, etc. etc. And you can modify everything from here. You can also find the permissions and the object permissions, like the general user permissions, if like can he access to view the data assessments and all the other stuff that you can do. Also, you can have some object level permissions like the standard object and also for the custom objects here down this page. So simply you will need just to click on edit and then you can start check all the permissions that you would like, and then at the end you will need just to save. By clicking on save, you have successfully created a new profile and its permissions. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.